couldn't buy. I was so impressed by this festival. I could meet interesting people, and the session was interesting too. And I could feel we can share the feeling as a writer, as a leader, as a human being. So I'm so happy to be here. I published 3 books and several anthologies. Everything is new for me. The vegetable. Yesterday they took me to market, so vegetables and plants and a special monkey. Yeah.
Festival. Your presentation.
A presentation. So my presentation was about my book, and I could have interesting questions and discussion.